So good morning, guys and girls. This is a quick video about the Mastercraft booster pack with air compressor. This is the 1400 peak amp model. So I came back from vacation. I was gone for what's today? Today's Saturday, and we left last Wednesday. So however many days that is. I think what the issue is with this vehicle is that I've got a capacitor in the back for my subwoofer. So there's subwoofer here, and then it's hard to see, but down in there is the capacitor. I've kind of buried it to do like a custom installation, but I think what happens is that capacitor is always drawing on the battery. Had the same issue when we went on vacation last time, which was actually at an airport parking lot. But we were gone for damn near 3 weeks, so I thought that was the issue. It was 3 weeks sitting there. Didn't think that's what happened after 9 or 10 days or whatever we've been gone. But anyways, I went in there, went to go key the car over. It didn't even give me anything. It gave me nothing. No crank, no. You get that little jitter or that little buzz from the alternator trying to turn over and the starter. I got nothing. So I've literally just hooked this battery booster up. It's only saying it's at 12.1 volts. The machine is on, as you can see. I did charge this battery booster about maybe 3 weeks ago. Actually, it could have even been 2 weeks ago. Could have been the weekend before we went. So it wasn't that long ago, but it has been sitting out in the vehicle. It's been cold. Right now it's probably minus, I don't know, -2, -4. You can see the frost on the roofs. So with any luck, we're going to go in there. We're going to see if this thing turns the car over, and then we'll maybe go on to the Canadian Tire website and write a review about it. So let's just give this a try. Fingers crossed. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. So it is a bigger engine, but this model I think says it does up to V8s. We're gonna find out. Well, we're getting more than what I got before. So we're gonna turn off this. Sorry, Howard Stern, but I'm getting all my gauges now. I want to open the window so you can hear this, but okay, that's not good. So we're gonna let this thing sit for a couple minutes, I think, before we try to boost it again. And we'll do a follow-up video.